You've probably got many reasons for wanting to work abroad: a change of scene, a desire for adventure, or a better climate, to name a few. One reason that won't be on your list is wanting to be poorer. So here's a list of the best countries to work and make money. Number 10. Switzerland. The financial services industry is a big employer in Switzerland, and it's well known as a high-wealth center. Switzerland is one of the highest-paying countries in the world. Yes, the cost of living is also high, which is one of the cons of living in Switzerland. However, solid career opportunities and high living standards are worth it. An average expat benefits package in the country is about $246,971 a year. Service professionals in Switzerland earn an average of $92,625, £68,500 a year. Meanwhile, its management workers take home a huge $431,603, £319,192 a year. Number 9. United States of America. The USA has always been a magnet for entrepreneurs, innovators, and talented people. The states are rightly proud of being one of the best countries in the world for ambitious and talented professionals to work in. However, even the state couldn't avoid the skill shortage problem. The USA companies have recently redoubled their efforts at poaching talent from all over the world. The opportunities and financial rewards will be well worth all your efforts to get hired by a US company. For professional expats living in the USA can result in a benefits package of about $252,903 a year. So if you can get a high-ranking professional posting in the USA, you will be paid well. No expat package available? No worries. As a service professional in the US, you will be taking home an average of $60,717, £44,903. Management-level staff are on an average of over 6 times this at $382,189, £282,647. Number 8. France. France is not an exception when it comes to the skills shortage in IT, AI, science, and innovations. Just like many other European nations, France's technology industry dreams of being able to freely employ a digitally skilled and qualified workforce from India, China, and the Middle East. To help the situation, last year President Macron declared a launch of a technology visa, which aims to attract international talent and make France the best country to work in for skilled workforce. The visa makes it easier for skilled professionals to come to the country and for French employers to hire from outside the EEA. It also gives brilliant opportunities for international startups. Interested in working in France? Read our detailed article on how to find a job in France with the French Tech Visa program. If you are being relocated to France by your company, you can expect an average value of an expat package for middle managers about $255,288 per year. If it proves difficult to negotiate a full expat package, don't despair. Even without additional benefits, you won't be disappointed. Service professionals in France have an average gross annual income of $38,787, £28,826. Management-level workers earn an average $247,183, £183,703. Number 7. Canada. Canada has always been one of the best countries to work in as an expat. Today, Canada still proves to be a cherished destination for professionals seeking both lifestyle and career advancement. If you are a highly skilled professional considering moving to Canada in search of employment, you can count on 90,000 Canadian dollars, $150,000 a year. As an example, an average salary for a project manager is 72,470 Canadian dollars. And a software developer can count on 63,905 Canadian dollars on average. Senior managers of goods production, utilities, transportation, and construction, 75,159 to $141,569. Senior managers in finance and communications, $77,805, $129.62. Engineering managers, $68,100 to $172,000. Depending on your experience and field of expertise, you can earn much more than the average. And although Canada is not really a big destination for a work assignment, we have put it on the list because it's desperate for skilled immigrants. Thus, immigrating to Canada can be easier if you are a skilled professional. If you are interested, check out our guide on how to get a Canada work visa. Number 6. Australia. If you are moving down under for work through your company, you can potentially earn as much as $264,963 a year. It's the second largest expat package in the Asia Pacific. Benefit costs in Australia are not among the highest. The taxes, however, will eat a lot of your package. If you are not employed by an international company that has an office in Australia, and yet really want to work there, there are ways to immigrate as a professional person. Australia is constantly looking for skilled people of certain professions, and the immigration procedures are quite clear. This is how to find a great job in Australia and get an employer-sponsored visa. Just follow the plan, and you will succeed. It might take some time and a lot of determination, however, the reward will be worth it. Service professionals in Australia have an average gross annual income of $51,497, £38,272. Management earn an average of $165,581, £51,497. At high living standards and a wonderful lifestyle, and you'll get one of the best countries to work and live in the world. Number 5. Turkey. Turkey might not be one of those countries that actively seek and attract foreign workforce from abroad. However, it's possible to get an assignment to Turkey working for international companies that are always on the lookout for skilled employees. Those heading to work in Turkey may be pleasantly surprised by the size of an average expat salary for middle managers offered in this country. The pleasure of the Mediterranean lifestyle is considerably enhanced by a hefty $266,298 a year. Our Living in Turkey guide can help you understand more about life and potential opportunities in Turkey. Number 4. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is always ranking well in terms of expat packages and expat earnings. An average value of a typical package there is about $271,400. If there is no company involved in your relocation, then the numbers will differ. Working as a service professional, you can expect an average gross annual income of $45,050, £33,316. Management earn an average $265,336, £196,229. What's more, most expats benefit from the lower tax regime and enjoy a higher disposable income as a result. One of the largest employment sectors for expats in Hong Kong is finance, and most expats feel the economic situation locally is strong. If you are prepared to work hard, Hong Kong is the place to go. Hong Kong expats mention that they work longer hours, however, the financial reward is worth it. They also say that Hong Kong is the best place to advance your professional career. Number 3. China. China, like many other countries all over the world, is desperate for a skilled workforce, especially in IT, AI, and science. People with expertise in these areas are in huge demand. The domestic job market is unable to fill the huge amount of advertised positions. Specialists with 5 years of experience available for employment are a rare commodity, so Chinese companies are looking for such people all over the world. To help Chinese businesses hire professionals from abroad, the government recently updated China's green card policy, thus easing the way in for professional immigrants. The demand has reflected on expat salaries. China has overtaken Hong Kong in terms of expat benefit packages. An average value of a package for an expatriate middle manager in mainland China is around $276,400 now. The change happened mainly due to the increase in benefit costs, such as medical insurance, for example. In secondary cities, expatriate packages are not as high as in main destinations, but if you are ambitious enough, second-tier cities can give you a perfect start from where to grow your career and experience. Number 2. Japan. It might come as a surprise for some expats that Japan is on the list of the best countries to work in. Japan isn't usually in the top favorite places for expats to relocate to for work. The general perception is that it's quite an insulate country. However, things are changing. The number of foreigners coming to work in Japan has been rising recently. Japan is desperate to lure in more foreign professionals to make up for its aging population. The country wants more skilled immigration engineers, entrepreneurs, researchers, managers, and professionals. Working in Japan is an adventure by itself. Add to it a cutting-edge infrastructure, stunning nature of Japanese islands, high quality of life, and a brilliant expat benefits package, new immigration rules that make it comparatively easy for skilled people to come to the country, and the country becomes quite appealing. Experienced expats still feel lukewarm about Japan. Although the country has changed its approach to foreigners, the perceptions take much longer to change. So while Japan lags behind other Asian countries in terms of attractiveness for foreigners, for ambitious budding expats with a great set of professional skills, it's a great chance to start an international career and wealth building. Financial gains are also significant. The cost of an average expatriate pay package for middle managers in Japan is about $375,289 per year. If you hunt for a job independently, you might expect an average income of $48,177, £35,629, as a service professional, which will grow to an average of $238,248. £176,196 at the management level. Number 1, United Kingdom. It's unclear where the country will stand after Brexit, but currently, the UK is in the top 10 highest paying countries and is one of the best to work in. So if material gains are your primary reason to look for a career abroad, the UK should definitely be high on your priority list. The UK is one of the most powerful world centers in terms of finance, IT, digital and science innovations, and AI. That's why it's a global magnet for those who have knowledge in these spheres and ambitions to use their knowledge to the best advantage. The unemployment in the UK is incredibly low, while skill shortage is pretty drastic. Industries in need of highly skilled professionals are seeking them from all over the world, offering good financial incentives to come and work in the UK. On average, expat professionals in the UK get paid over $390,000 per year, including all benefits, if they are relocated by their company. Those who find work independently still get a great deal. Service professionals earn an average of $45,691. £33,957. Management earn an average $230,721. £171,469. If you are interested in working in the United Kingdom, this is how to get a well-paid job and a skilled worker visa in the UK. The video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot for us to continue bringing this type of content here. Until the next video.